Today I'm replacing the battery on a 2023 Toyota Camry. First, I loosen and remove the negative battery terminal. Next, I do the same for the positive terminal. With the terminals disconnected, I remove the battery hold-down bolt and bracket. Here's the new battery installed in place. I reinstall the hold-down bracket and tighten the bolt to secure the battery. Now I reconnect the battery terminals and tighten them down. Finally, I start the car to confirm everything is working properly. The engine starts up smoothly, and the battery replacement is complete.